Good morning, everybody. So it is Tuesday and it is 7:04 a.m. and today, I know y'all never see me this early, right guys? So today what we're actually doing is a what I eat in a day, and this is actually a collab with Home with Miss Colunga. So make sure you go down in the description box and check out her link to her channel. She is fabulous. She is a mama just like me. She is a stay-at-home mom. She's very, very busy, and I'm sure y'all guys will enjoy her channel. So we're gonna go ahead and go into this morning what I'll be eating. Ignore the mess in the background of me. I did have stuff I had to get done this morning before I actually started filming, guys. So let's go ahead and go into my morning, what I eat, and including my vitamins that I take in the morning, guys. Okay, guys, so first things first is I do drink my bulletproof coffee in the morning. So I actually get that ready. I have already measured out 1 cup of water right here. I actually do 2 cups, but I blend it using my Ninja. And unfortunately, 2 cups do not fit in here. So I actually will get the coffee going for the first cup right now. And then while that is going, I'm gonna go ahead and do my vitamins, and I will show you those guys as well. Okay guys, so what I forgot to show y'all is the coffee that I'm using is the hazelnut right here. But what we're gonna go ahead and do first is my vitamins. So I have my measuring cup out right here. I measure out 1 cup of water. This is gonna taste disgusting. Just FYI, I'm aware of this. It does not taste good at all. So what we're gonna do from there is add in, I already forgot my stuff, guys. Go me. No, my bad. What we're adding in is our half a lime right here. Then we're going to add in our apple cider vinegar with the mother, and this will be 2 tablespoons. And that's my coffee pot that y'all can hear in the background, guys. It is right next to me. And then from there, we are going to be adding in the 1/4 tablespoon of cream of tartar, which again, this just makes it taste more disgusting than it already does. But the reason why I do this is it helps with bloating. And so, especially since I've been eating badly, guys, I need the help with the bloating. And so then I just do about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 turns of this. Get my straw because you never want to put this straight on your tea. And we're going to drink this, guys. Okay, so now at this point, I have a little under half a bottle of water. I'm going to add in this to it. And what I'm going to add to it is my Longevity Beyond Osteo FX. This just is my part of my vitamins I take that promotes strong, healthy bones, joints with calcium, magnesium, glucosium, and vitamin D. So I actually just do 1 scoop of this. Thankfully, this is vanilla flavored, guys. So y'all can see here, it does come with a little scoopy thingy. Now that it's all mixed, guys, we're going to go ahead and take the rest of my medicine that I take in the morning. So that is my Tangerine Tablet 2.0, and this is actually 4 of them. Yes, you heard me right, guys. 4 pills of this in the morning, and I'll show y'all what they look like. So this is how big they are, guys. And like I said, it is 4 of them. Then I take 1 of my Ultimate EFA Plus. This is my Essential Fatty Acids vitamin, which, ooh, we need to get more. We just ran out, guys. And then, of course, we have my seizure medicine, that 1 little bitty pill right there. So I usually would just pop all these in my mouth, drink this, and then we'll get started on our coffee, guys. Okay, guys, so what we're going to do now is I have my coffee cup that I'm going to be using today. I've already turned on my Ninja. I have 1 cup of coffee right here. So what we're going to add into it is 1 tablespoon of my MCT oil. We're also going to be adding 1 tablespoon of our heavy whipping cream. And then we will finally be adding 1 tablespoon of our Mexican vanilla that we have. And last but not least, we are going to add in a tablespoon of my salted sweet cream butter. We're going to put my lid on this. Put it on here and let's get to mixing, guys. So now that this one's done, we're just going to take it off. And I'm going to pour it into my coffee cup right here. Has my name on it as well. And I'm going to go ahead and make my second batch of this. And that'll be breakfast, guys. Hey guys, okay, so I know, yes, I did change. We are back for lunch now. I'm actually going to be making me my lunch, and then I actually have my iced peach green tea that I'm going to be making first, and then I'll go ahead and make my lunch. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how I make this. This is the peach tea from Starbucks that is keto friendly. So that is what I'll be making right now. And I'm sorry if it's really dark. I do have the lights on, but my house has horrible lighting, guys. So let me go ahead and show y'all how I make this. So to start out, I have my cup right here. Of course, it is my Texas Mommy one. And I've already measured out my iced peachy green Tazo tea. This is what it looks like. I actually measured me out 2 cups. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that in here. And I'm going to add some ice, of course. So then from there, we're gonna go ahead, and I have my heavy whipping cream. And I just have, of course, the HEB one, guys, right here. And I'm gonna go ahead and measure out, let's see, 1, 2, 3, I think I'm gonna do 4 tablespoons of my heavy whipping cream. And then I have my sugar-free vanilla right here. Yes, it is the miniature bottle. I'm going to be buying a bigger bottle soon. So then we're going to add in our sugar-free vanilla. We're going to add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And what we're going to do is go ahead and get our straw and kind of just mix it around. This is pretty much where you go as however you like it, how strong you like the peach tea. So I think I'm going to add in 1 more tablespoon of my vanilla and just finish off. Oh, 1. Okay. We added 2 more vanillas and just finished off our vanilla, guys. And I go ahead and I put this in the fridge so that it can chill even more until my food is ready. So look how cool that looks, guys. I love everything that has my name on it. It's seriously like my favorite thing ever, dudes. I love anything that has my name on it. Hey guys, so now that that is in the fridge chilling, sorry, apparently I had, nope, that's just how my lips are. We're gonna go ahead and start making lunch. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and use some avocado, and then I'm going to put an egg in it, and I've already measured me out 1/3 cup of cheddar cheese, sharp cheddar cheese. Let me be precise, guys. I have made it before previously on What I Eat in a Day, but this is one of my favorite things that I make that I love. And yes, that is a knife holder behind me. I know y'all never probably see it. If you like this, let me know. I can tell you where to get it from. So as you can see, guys, this is right here what I'm going to be having for lunch. I have my tea right here. And then right here I have my avocado with egg and some cheese that I went ahead and let melt on top of it. So this is lunch, guys. Okay, guys, so it is dinner time now. I actually did already prep everything. And one more thing I needed to add on is I did go to Sonic and got a Diet Coke with Diet Cherry flavoring. So this is what I eat in a day, so I had to share that with you guys. Hey guys, I did want to share with y'all all the ingredients I'll be using. So I have my andouille sausage right here, some salted sweet cream butter, onions, some red and green bell pepper, chicken, and in here we also have the garlic. Then we have our Creole seasoning and salt and pepper, of course, and butter. And, of course, our pan. Okay guys, so right here is dinner as you see, and this was a brand new dish that I've never made before. So if you're interested on how to make this, go ahead and leave a comment down in the description box. That way I know that y'all want me to go ahead and make a video for you guys. So like I said, this is dinner, and I'll give y'all more of a close-up in a minute, guys. Let's go ahead and make the dessert. This is definitely one of my go-to recipes. Super easy. Literally, I will show y'all all the ingredients that I put in here. I am using my KitchenAid to mix it. Okay guys, so now that we're on to the dessert, so what we're going to go ahead and use is 1 bar of cream cheese. And as you can see here, I'm usually always using my Challenger's cream cheese. 1 package of sugar-free pudding, and I just happen to be having the pistachio one. I usually do white chocolate, but they finally had the sugar-free pistachio, and that's always been one of my favorites. Then you're also going to add 1 cup of water and 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. And you're going to go ahead and either you can put it in your KitchenAid like I am, or you can use a hand blender. That'll work too. And you want to make sure that you blend this until it is very well combined. After that, you're going to want to put it in the fridge covered until you're ready to serve it. And once you get done with it, don't forget to also, you can either move it into a different container that has a lid and put it in the fridge and leave your leftovers in there. But you do always want to make sure that you do cover it, because like anything else, if you don't, the smell of anything else that's in your fridge will go into the flavoring of it and it will not taste good. Speaking of from experience from that, guys. Like I said, this is one of the most easiest recipes you can do for a keto-friendly dessert that anybody I know will like. I mean, like, my kids and my husband like this, and they're not doing keto. So even though it's keto friendly, it's one of those desserts that's really popular, really easy for anybody to do. Okay guys, so that was what I ate in a day. As you can tell, we're about to have our desserts right here, which I just showed you guys. And also, I hope you enjoyed this. But not only that, don't forget to go check down in the description box down below. That way y'all can go ahead and go check out Home with Miss Colunga. I probably said her name wrong. If I did, again, I'm sorry. Trust me, I did talk to her already, guys. But go check out her video after you checked out this video. And if you are coming from her channel, nice to meet you. And if you are going to go visit her channel, don't forget to go send my love and let her know that I sent you over there, guys. So I hope you enjoyed. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. And also don't forget to go ahead and subscribe if you're brand new. And don't forget to also go follow me on my Instagram account, which will come up right here. And I will see you guys next time. Bye, guys.